Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sport Line. And guess what? We got another Model 3 in the shop today. This one is extra rare because it's pearl white. We really haven't been seeing so many of those up until now. So this is a very exciting day for us. And this customer came in for a very simple upgrade, something that we do all the time. We put the best looking wheels on Teslas. And this is our 19-inch TST wheel finished in matte black. We offer this wheel in 4 different finishes: matte black, gloss black, silver, and metallic gray. So you could choose your style to fit your car. These are really great wheels because they fit the Tesla perfectly. What do I mean by that? Well, you get to use and keep the factory Tesla 19-inch recommended tire size. So if your car came with 19s from Tesla, you could use those tires. If not, we have a wheel and tire package that we can upgrade you into. Also, the Tesla tire pressure sensor fits right into our wheels. Perfect fit. And then you use the factory Tesla mounting lug nuts to go ahead and mount the wheels to the car. To finish it all off, as you can see, we installed our black lug nut covers. This is the icing on the cake because this absolutely cleans up the whole look. So instead of staring at 5 silver Tesla lug nuts on a dark colored wheel, this really cleans it up and gives it a great finish. Stay tuned for more customizations. Thank you so much for watching.